Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2013 Fit. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, rear window defroster, front-wheel drive, body color door handles, drive-by-wire throttle, front stabilizer bar. Inside you'll find USB audio interface, cruise control, tinted glass, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.